Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this multi-sander from Parkside, the model PPS 200C2, rated power consumption 200 watts, oscillation rate 28,000 OPM, triangular sanding seat size 93 by 93 by 92 mm, rectangular sanding seat size 112 by 112 mm, accessories included, hook and loop fastening function, combines triangular and rectangular sanding pads with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. On a lovely case. Included we have the manual. With the 3 meters of cable, very convenient. Included at the box we have one sanding seat, it is P120, and another 2 for the front, P120 and P120, the same. The adapter for external vacuum extraction. You can install it here and then you can install your vacuum. Soft grip elements, I like that. You can hold it just like that. On-off switch, cover it. Sanding plate, triangular bottom and sanding plate triangular top. And that goes here. Alignment very well with the holes. That's how you will have all the dust at the filter or at your vacuum. There's the filter. Press that, remove, and you can clean the dust collector. And then you can install the dust collector here, rotate, and it locks. Nice. I can feel the air from the outlet here. It is very powerful. I like it. It has only one speed. And let's test it. See how well it can sand a wood. And of course you can use it and for metal. With only 25 euros you can use this sander on any type of wood. Choose the right sanding paper and have amazing results. It is powerful, I like how it holds all the dust in the container. If you want you can use your vacuum. The results are very good, I recommend it for DIY projects at your home and more. Cleaning any wood from the old paint makes it more smooth. Thank you for watching. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video and hit the notification bell. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.